Hello guys, on today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to add a new artboard to your working space on Photoshop. How do you do that? It is very easy. Simply click on this the move button, which the shortcut is V, and hold it. While you hold it, you're gonna see the artboard tool. Click on it. When you click on it, you have to draw the dimension of what you want. Draw from down here right down to up here. Immediately you draw it, you're gonna see 4 good plus signs adding by the corner. Depending on you where you want to add it, you just simply click on add. You're gonna be seeing a space you're gonna add. It's your choice. How you want to add it is your choice. So you see, it's as simple as ABC. With this you can design and do whatever you want to do with it. To delete is just to press on it and press delete. If I was designing my complimentary card, it's perfect for me. I'll do it like this. So that is how to add an artboard on Photoshop. Let me rephrase it back. You click on the V button and hold, click on artboard. You drag and hold the dimension that you want to put it up. You're gonna see signs adding. You just have to click on those plus signs and it's gonna be doing the magic, depending on how many you want to use for that particular design.